Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our weekly Monday live stream. And tonight we're talking about something most business owners overlook, the true value of a proper bookkeeping setup. You probably heard the price tag, $2,500 for a full setup. And many business owners say, Kareem, that feels expensive. But here's the truth, a solid bookkeeping setup doesn't cost you, it saves you. It fixes leaks in your finances you don't even see, and most importantly, it protects you during tax time. What exact setup actually includes? Let's start with real bookkeeping setup is not just connecting bank accounts. It usually includes cleaning the current mess so numbers start clean, building a chart of accounts that matches your industry, setting up bank feeds correctly, organizing income and expense categories, setting up rules so the system works automatically, and ensuring mileage, subscriptions, and payment platforms sync properly. Preparing a system for tax deductions. And this is the foundation. Without this, everything you record all year is off, meaning your taxes are off too. How bad setup equals savings that come in. Here's where the savings come in. When your books aren't set up correctly, here's what usually happens. You miss deductible expenses, you categorize things wrong, you overpay taxes because your numbers are incomplete, you pay penalties for filing errors, you spend more hiring to fix the mess later. Most tax overpayments I see, they start with bad bookkeeping. It's not the tax prep, it's the books. Now, the math, how a 2,500 pays for itself. Let's run a simple example. Missing even $500 a month in a deductible expense equals $600 a year. If you tax that at just 20%, that's $1,200 extra in taxes you didn't need to pay. And that's a conservative example. Many businesses miss 10 to 20,000 in deductibles simply because their categories are wrong. Subscriptions weren't tracked, their payment apps weren't linked, their businesses and personal spending were mixed, and a proper setup prevents all of this. So peace of mind equals priceless. It's not just about the money, though that's a big part of it. It's also about confidence in your numbers, no scrambling during tax season, no fear of the IRS letters, knowing exactly where your business stands, focusing on growth instead of paperwork. You're not just paying for a setup, you're paying to remove stress, confusion, and costly mistakes. So, yes, a $2,500 setup is an investment, but it's an investment that pays for itself and over again, year after year. If you've been putting this off, now is the perfect time to set up your financial foundation strong before the new year. So drop your questions below and let's get into our Q&As. Okay. Is a full setup worth it even if my business is small? Absolutely. Small businesses loses the most money from messy books because every deduction matters. A clean setup ensures you're accurately tracking every expense, which lowers your taxable income and reduces stress during the tax season. What if I already have an accounting software? Do I still need a setup? Yes. Having QuickBooks or Wave isn't the same as having it properly set up. Most people have the accounts connected wrong, categories mislabeled, and income recorded twice. The software only works if the structure is built correctly. Question number 3. What is the difference between a cleanup and a setup? A cleanup fixes past months or years of messy books. A setup builds your system so everything going forward is accurate. If your books are messy and not structured correctly, you may need both. Okay, have a good one, everyone. So I'll see you all next week, Monday, same time, same place. Have a good one. Bye-bye.